You've been taught algebra, Shakespeare, and the Mughals, but no one taught you how to budget your salary, build wealth, or avoid getting trapped in loans. Today we're fixing that. This is not another boring save money video. This is your ultimate crash course in personal finance for India in 2025. And trust me, nobody is talking about this the way we are. Let's break it down. Personal finance is not just about saving money. It is about how you earn, spend, save, invest, and protect your money for both short-term survival and long-term freedom. Personal finance in India has its own desi twist. We deal with cash-heavy culture, gold investments, FDs from our nani, and that relative who keeps suggesting LIC. There are 6 pillars of personal finance in India. Miss even one, and your financial life will wobble. Which of these 6 are you missing? Comment below. Don't use your salary account for everything. That is a rookie mistake. Use banks with low charges and good apps like SBI YONO, Kotak 811, or 5. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, it is dying slowly. 10,000 rupees saved in a bank FD today will be worth less than 8,000 rupees in 5 years, thanks to 7% inflation and 5.5% returns. No, insurance is not an investment. It is a shield. If your family depends on you and you don't have term insurance, you're being financially irresponsible. Budgeting does not mean becoming a sadhu. It means giving every rupee a job. Here's how to budget like a pro. Give every rupee a job and it'll start working for you. Don't wait for March to panic. Tax planning should start in April. Old versus new tax regime. Confused? You're not alone. The old regime lets you claim ATC tricks like PPF, LSS, and term insurance. Got rent? Use smart HRA hacks to slash your taxable income. Ever bought something just because it was on sale? Welcome to money psychology. Let us talk about the real traps. Lifestyle inflation. That's sneaky. I deserve this. Voice convincing you to upgrade every time your salary does. Guilt spending on parents, relatives, friends, even when you cannot afford it. Then there is FOMO investing, jumping into crypto, penny stocks, or IPOs just because everyone else is. And of course, trying to keep up with Sharmaji's overachieving son. Here is a hard truth. Track your spending for just 30 days and prepare to be shocked. Let us put everything together. Here is your 6-stage roadmap. Step 1. Build 5,000 rupees emergency fund. Step 2. Clear high-interest debt, credit card, BNPL. Step 3. Start 1,000 rupees SIP. Step 4. Buy term plus health insurance. Step 5. Plan for short-term goals, travel, gadgets. Step 6. Long-term goals, house, retirement, financial independence. Retire early. You just learned in few minutes what most people don't figure out in many years. But this is just the start. Hit subscribe for more India-specific personal finance content. Comment below, what was your biggest takeaway? Watch the next video in this playlist to start investing smartly. Free budget tracker and checklist in the pinned comment.